Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Here you are seeing unbelievable formation. Real Shiva Parvathi dual conch from Indian Ocean. It's a real Shiva Parvathi dual puja conch Indian Ocean. Two conch together to form single conch. See, now you can see one opening and one tail here. Later, you can see second tail and second opening. It's a two conch. So you can see a conch 1 and conch 2, two conch joined to form the single conch. Extremely, it's unbelievable formation from Indian Ocean. You can see separately two clear tail. Here you can see one tail, one open, and here another open. Two inside form the single conch. It's called Shiva Parvathi Puja conch from Indian Ocean. Extremely unbelievable formation. Very rarest and unique collection. By having this conch with you, you can get full blessings of Shiva Parvati. Unbelievable formation. Extremely powerful puja collection conch from Indian Ocean. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya.